Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today is not a tutorial. It's not a review. It's a complaint. I complained on Amazon.ca for sending me this. I ordered this from Amazon this week. Got it. Opened it up tonight. It's used. They sent me a used pot. Not only is it used, I got a glove on because it's too gross. It's cracked. It's cracked right there. There's a crack. Right there's a crack. Now I think it's a safety issue. If you get this thing full of water, hot water, and take it to the stove, what's going to happen if it cracks and falls off? Look at the bottom of this thing. Look at the stains in the bottom. Inside, there's a food residue, right? I'm sure you can see there. Right there, see that little white thing? It's food residue and water spots and wiping marks in the bottom from somebody wiping this thing out. Like, why would they send something like this out? This should have been tossed in the garbage. So they're sending a new one out, obviously. But I shouldn't have to return this. I should just toss this in the garbage where this belongs. It doesn't belong anywhere else but the garbage. But it's just a rant today. I just couldn't believe what they would send me. I can't believe it. There's somebody used this before. You can see the heat marks on the bottom here. To get the right lighting here. It's just going to show up. But there's heat marks. You know when heat metal turns blue? There's heat marks. This has been used before. It's obvious. And the bottom is all stained and dirty. And there's food residues inside. Just, what's going on here? So just a complaint about Amazon.ca. This is the first time something like this ever happened to me. It didn't even come in the original packaging. It came in a package like if you bought liquid soap. It comes in that extra, we wrap it up in a piece of plastic in case it leaks. That's what this is shipped in. So it cost me $30. It's going back. I'm going to call Amazon again. Tell them I don't want to return this. I want to just throw it in the garbage. I don't want to waste my time taking it to the post office to get a replacement. I don't want to waste my time. This is junk. This should not be sent out. This should have been thrown in the garbage right off the bat. So that's all for today. Just a rant. Thanks for watching.